Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another recipe video. What I'm making my brother for lunch for school today. Anyways, this is gonna be very quick and easy. Yes, it is currently 6:30 a.m. So I'm gonna be very fast. Today I'll be making some Hawaiian breakfast. It's eggs with some if you have Hawaiian breakfast before, you will know. So it's like mac salad with some rice, fried spam, and fried eggs and steak on the side. So I'm gonna put this together really quick in like 30 minutes. And here, this guava jam. The guava jam goes on the spam because the spam is very salty. If you put the guava jam on it, kind of sweeten it up a little bit. And I'm gonna put some pepper and salt on the macaroni. So I only have the jumbo macaroni in my pantry, so I'm like, whatever. I like to use the smaller one, but the bigger one is what I have available, so I'm gonna use it. And you need carrot and onions. These two goes in the macaroni with the mayo. Hellmann's. These on this side are for the definitely for that, for the mac salad, and these two is for themselves. And then the fried eggs, the rice is already cooked like I said. Later on I'm just gonna warm it up and put it in a bowl. So, and then the steak, I'm gonna probably like stir fry that as well. So yeah, stick around and let's get started. Thank you. Bye. Okay, first thing first, I put the macaroni on the stove for it to boil. Yes, you gotta cook the mac first while you're doing other things. Like, this is gonna be fast. When you put a macaroni in a pot, if you're not new here, then you would know that I always do this when I'm cooking like pasta or macaroni like this. I always pour oil. That's vegetable oil. That's just like a tubful. The oil is to make sure they don't stick together. So I do that and stir it. Make sure the macaroni don't stick together. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, just a bit. That's enough, because technically I'm gonna re-season it again after it's done when I'm making it into the salad. Also, I highly recommend this. If you have it in your kitchen, you can also use it to shred the carrots, because that's what I'm gonna that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna, of course, peel off the scum parts with the peeler, and then I'm gonna shred the carrots for this. Let's get started. And this is how it looks after I was done shredding it. When I shredded it, I used this part right here. This part. So my shredder comes with 3 different parts. I used the medium one, and that's how it came out. That's how you want it to look. So for my spam, I put it in here. Oh, hello, what the fuck? So I put my spam in the air fryer so it can cook, like, honestly. My boyfriend is gonna kill me for this. Every time he's like, don't do that. He's like, you need to fry it on the stove. It tastes better that way. But I'm in a hurry, so I'm putting my spam in the air fryer for it to cook while I'm doing the other things. And this is how the carrots and then the onions look. The macaroni is currently done. I took it out of the pot, put it in a bowl. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this and this. I'm gonna add some salt. I add the carrot, onion, some salt, black pepper, and the mayo. And then I'm gonna put it in the fridge and let it sit while I am blending out the rest of the dish. And this is the final product for the mac salad. In here, I added some of these, the pickles, the old-fashioned sweet pickles, and I added carrots, as you can see, and some onion. I did add a bit of honey, and also I will warn, don't put too much salt because the mayo is already salty by itself. But it was a bit slightly salty, that's why I had to add some honey. That's, you can do it yourself if you choose to do that, that is. But now I'm just gonna keep it in the fridge. I made way too much, but that's good for me. Now I'm just gonna fry the eggs. Instead of making it sunny side up, I'm gonna make it scrambled because it is a kid lunch. I don't want to sit in too long with the yolk just on top like that. So I'm just gonna make it scrambled eggs. Okay, so this is slightly off camera, but the jam, I just lay on top of this here like that. Let it cook with the spam. And that's how the eggs look. And that's the final product right there. Okay, so he came from school and now I'm gonna show you guys how that he finished this. What do you think? I don't know. I don't know. It is a bit slightly heavy, but I don't know. Oh, okay. There's no more sauce. I need a little bites. I'm also doing all of the Capri Sun and Ricky Joy. Now another one. Let's see. Ready, set, go. Oh, he had everything. Oh, Hasha. It smells so good. Anyways, yeah, just showing you guys. So, like I said, everything I made is good. Everything I made is delicious. Okay? Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video on Monday. So, stay tuned. Bye-bye.